What is ointment? Ointment is a semi-solid preparation typically used for application on the skin. It is designed to deliver medication directly to a specific area of the body. This topic covers three videos. Today's video is about composition and uses of ointment. Number one, composition. Ointments are made up of a base which is usually oil based, such as petrolatum, lanolin, or mineral oil. This base helps to keep the medication on the surface of the skin for an extended period, allowing for prolonged absorption. Number two, uses. Ointments are used for a variety of purposes, mainly in three ways, which include: number one, delivering medication. They can contain active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, like antibiotics, antifungals, or corticosteroids. Number two, moisturizing. Ointments are effective for treating dry, cracked, or irritated skin because their oil based composition provides a protective barrier and locks in moisture. Number three, protection and healing. They can be used to protect minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, and to aid in the healing process. Conclusion. Dear viewers, this is end of video number 1. In next video, you will learn about characteristics of ointment. Dear friends, if you like that this useful information must continue, then you will be requested to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thanks a lot.